What's the meaning of burial ground? Burial ground. Burial ground.
Burial ground. Burial ground. A burial ground typically refers to a location designated for burying the deceased. It is a site where human remains are interred, and it often holds cultural or spiritual significance to those who use it. These grounds may vary in size from small plots to expansive cemeteries, and they may be maintained by families, religious organizations, or local governments. The graves themselves may be marked with tombstones, crosses, or other symbols, and visitors may come to pay their respects or honor the memory of loved ones. Overall, burial grounds serve an important role in providing a final resting place for the dead and paying tribute to their lives.